And then in the 8th century, the second Arab siege of Constantinople that somehow fails.
In the early 8th century, yes, that was the second siege.
Yeah, the early 8th century. So why did it fail? Can you tell the story of that siege? That was really the empire hanging by a thread.
Yes, but it happened to have a very competent man in charge. This is Leo III, and he's an emperor who he's a usurper. He's just seized power. They knew that this massive Arab attack was coming. And so it's quite possible that the Roman elites, preferred to put someone capable in power at that moment. The city was very well prepared. I encourage people in the audience to go and read the sources that we have for that. You can find many accounts of it online. It was just very, very well done. He also had Bulgar allies. So these are the Bulgars who had just crossed the Danube just a few years earlier, actually, and settled south of the Danube, where eventually Bulgaria emerged. So he had Bulgar allies, and he used the Greek fire very, very strategically. He used his own fleet. He contained the Arabs to certain places where they kind of starved and wore them down. It's just very well done.
From a military perspective.
Well,
was it the walls, the navy, the weather, the diplomacy, just good luck that helped Constantinople hold?
I don't see much role for good luck there. I mean, I think he had it all pretty planned out. It was all of the elements that you mentioned. And yeah, he just deployed them very, very astutely. And went on to rule after that for another 20-some years. And his son continued. They formed a dynasty. We call it the Isaurian dynasty, though they were not from Isauria.